Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible transformation. I found this old, rusty axe in the garden. As you can see, it's quite dull and worn, not very effective for any serious chopping tasks. It barely cuts through the small branch, which shows just how much it needs some attention. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'm going to start by marking the axe head with a marker. This line indicates where I'll be grinding, ensuring I achieve a precise and symmetrical new edge. This step is crucial for maintaining the tool's balance and effectiveness. I'll carefully mark both sides of the blade, creating a clear guideline. This precise marking prevents any errors during the grinding process and ensures the axe head gets the perfect new shape. Next, I'll secure the axe head firmly in a vise. This stability is absolutely essential for safe and accurate grinding. I'm using an angle grinder with a sanding flap disc to carefully remove the old, dull metal and begin shaping the new edge. Following the line I just drew, you can see the sparks flying as the old metal gives way to a fresh surface. I'm taking my time, making sure to apply even pressure and follow the lines I drew. After grinding one side, I'll carefully remove the axe from the vise and reposition to work on the other side. I'll repeat the grinding process on the second side, aiming to match the angle and sharpness of the first. This dual-sided sharpening will give me a balanced and highly effective cutting edge. Consistency is key for a truly sharp tool. Once the basic shape is achieved, I'm switching to a wire brush attachment on the angle grinder. This is to remove all the surface rust and oxidation, revealing the true metal beneath. This not only makes the tool look better, but also prevents further corrosion and makes it easier to inspect for any damage. I'll apply the wire brush to both sides of the axe head, making sure to get into all the nooks and crannies. This is quite satisfying, seeing the rust disappear and the metal shine through. With the axe head prepped, I'm now taking a look at these flap discs. I'm choosing these particular discs for their abrasive qualities, which are perfect for polishing. I'm using a small piece of PVC pipe and threading it through 2 grinding discs. Then I mark the required length. This PVC piece will help ensure the discs are properly spaced and stable when assembled. I'll use a hacksaw to carefully cut the PVC pipe at the marked spot. A clean cut is important for the next steps, as it will be part of the mechanism to hold the polishing disc securely. With the PVC spacer cut, I'm assembling my custom polishing wheel. I'll use a hammer to gently tap the first PVC piece through the center of the stacked discs. This secures them in place and provides a base for the next components. Now, I'm taking a bolt and securing a washer and nut onto one end. This will form the core of our polishing wheel, allowing it to be mounted onto a drill. I will thread the bolt through the PVC pipe, then add a washer and a nut. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'll use pliers to firmly tighten the nuts on the bolt. This assembly ensures the discs are tightly compressed and stable, ready for high-speed rotation. Now, I'm setting up my drill in the vise. This transforms a handheld drill into a stationary polishing machine, allowing for two-handed operation and greater control. It's a simple hack that makes polishing much easier. I'll attach the newly assembled polishing wheel to the drill chuck and tighten it securely. This completes our DIY polishing setup, ready to give that axe a brilliant shine. I'm carefully bringing the axe head to the spinning polishing wheel. I'll work my way around the entire axe head, ensuring every part gets a uniform polish. You can immediately see the surface rust and grime disappearing, revealing a smooth, reflective finish. It's like magic. And there you have it. The old, dull axe has been completely revitalized. It's incredibly sharp and shiny now. Let's test its effectiveness. See how easily it slices through this branch? It's cutting like new, if not better. This DIY project proves that with a little ingenuity, you can breathe new life into old tools. If you enjoyed this amazing transformation, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other tools you'd like to see me restore. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.